Welcome to another video. Today we will discuss about hypervisor. What is hypervisor? Hypervisor is a process in which we can make multiple operating system on one hardware. In simple words, if I have a one computer and I want to run multiple windows in my computer, how can I do that? In simple case, I have to acquire another laptop to run multiple windows. For example, I have Windows 10. But if I want to run Windows 8, so I have to buy a new laptop to run Windows 8. But with the help of Hypervisor, we can run multiple windows inside a one system. In Hypervisor, what exactly is happening? In Hypervisor, this system divide our hardware into multiple parts. It will divide our CPU, our RAM, our hard disk into multiple parts so that we can run multiple systems inside one machine. Hypervisors were invented in 1960 by IBM. In this flow chart, we can see here this is the real server. The real server means this is our machine, and over this our machine we have hypervisors. So here, with the help of hypervisors, we are running multiple virtual servers. These are multiple virtual servers, and with the help of multiple virtual servers, we have multiple desktop. I mean to say, this is our one desktop, but with the help of hypervisors, now we have multiple desktops we can use. This is my system right now without hypervisor. I have a CPU, I have RAM, I have a hard disk, and this is one operating system I'm using right now. But if I have a hypervisor, now I have different virtual machines and I can run different kind of operating system in one machine. For example, if I have a Windows laptop, but I want to use Mac operating system, so how can we do that? With the help of hypervisor and with the help of virtual machine, I can run a Mac operating system in between the Windows system. I don't have to buy another laptop have Mac operating system. I can use the Apple operating system in my laptop. Here we can see the hypervisor is over the physical hardware, and over the hypervisor we have multiple operating systems. Have multiple CPU and RAM and disk and operating system. We can see here these are the virtual machine. This is what I was talking about. This is one physical hardware. I have only one physical hardware, but I'm dividing this one physical hardware into multiple machines. So now the productivity of my one physical hardware is more, it is multiplied. I have divided my CPU in three parts. I have divided my RAM. I sliced it in different parts, and again my disk and operating system is sliced in different parts. So this is the advantage of hypervisor where I can use one hardware, but with the help of one hardware I can make multiple machines. Another example, if I'm using Windows 10 or Windows 11, but now I want to run something that need Windows 8 or that need Mac operating system or Linux operating system. So in this situation, if I don't know how to do hypervisor, I have to buy a whole new machine. I have to buy a whole new computer that have Linux operating system or Mac operating system. But with the help of hypervisor, I can make Windows 8 virtual machine inside a one laptop. Or if I need Mac operating system, I can do the same inside my Windows 8 machine. I don't have to buy the separate system. What is the advantage of hypervisor? The first advantage is data replication. What is data replication? Data replication is copy one data into multiple into the multiple locations so that if one system fails, I can still recover my data from the another location. That is data replication. The big firms, though, analyze the data. The hypervisor plays an important role in such kind of companies. Second advantage of the hypervisor is consolidating servers. What is consolidating servers is consolidating server mean I'm collecting all these servers and machines and I'm making a one powerful machine out of it. This is consolidating servers. From the multiple machines, I'm making one powerful machine, that is consolidating servers. We can do it with the help of hypervisor. For example, if we can divide one strong system into the multiple systems, similarly we can collect all the multiple system and make one strong system out of it. There are two type of hypervisors. One are type 1 and another is type 2. Now we will discuss about type 1. In type 1, we can see this is the hardware. I mean, this is my machine where I have CPU, RAM, and I have my hard disk and operating system. And over the hardware, I have hypervisor. Here the hypervisor is coming. And over the hypervisor, I have app and operating systems. Different kind of apps and operating system. I can run Windows, I can run Linux, I can run Mac, any kind of operating system over the hypervisor. Type 1 is better than type 2. Why it is better than type 2? Because it's extremely fast. It can execute applications faster than type 2 and its input is also faster than type 2. Example of type 1 is VMware ESXi is example of type 1 hypervisor. Now let's talk about type 2. Type 2 here, type we can see here is the hardware, here's my machine. Over my machine I have another operating system. And over the operating system I have a hypervisor. And over the hypervisor there is different kind of operating system and apps. So this is type 2 uh, this is type 2 system. Example of type 2 we can say is a VMware workstation is example of type 2 hypervisor. The VMware workstation is Linux based and example of VMware workstation we can see Ubuntu, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, CentOS, Oracle Linux, Open SUSE League, and SUSE Linux 12. These all are example of VMware workstation. Thank you to watch my video. I'll come with another video. Thank you.